How's it going, everyone? Today we have a $27 batch of California Scratchers. We didn't get any of our tickets in a row. We got a bunch of tickets off of separate books. We have one Set for Life, ticket number 8. We have one $5 Winner Winner Chicken Dinner, ticket 78. We have one Red Hot Cash, ticket 30. This is an older game and I definitely like to pick it up when I see it because it's a pretty good game. And we have one $10 mystery crossword, ticket number 3. But we're going to save the crossword for last. And we're going to start off with our $2 ticket. I usually like to play a bunch of tickets in a row because if one's a loser, that next one might be a winner. But sometimes it's kind of fun to take a bunch of shots in the dark and see what happens. But it's usually not the most successful. But it could go either way. You could get a bunch of wins since they're not back to back to back off the same book. Or you might just get all losers. And unfortunately, we got a loser on the Set for Life. And that was a loud car. On to our chicken dinner, ticket 78. Be nice to see that chicken symbol finally come through. Did we get the 50? No, we did not. Winning numbers are 31, 27, 7, 18, and 35. 20, 37, 16, 23, 28, 11, 9, 6, 24, 12, 14, 15, 10, 34, 21, 32, 17, and 30. Well, we got nothing on our first 2 tickets. On to our Red Hot Cash. Ticket 30. And did we get the past 50? No, and no. We're looking for the double $sign, 5x, 10x, or the hot symbol. The only symbol we have yet to see is that 10x. It'd be nice to finally get it, but not counting on it. 24, man, I need a different coin. This one's just as bad. It's better. And numbers mean nothing. 11, 31, 2. Come on, symbols. And I don't think this ticket's gonna pull through for us. On to our final hope this session, ticket 3. Probably should not have bought a bunch of different tickets off different rows, but it's fun to try sometimes. I've had good outcomes doing that, but here recently I have not. Well, we have no E, just the A. No E gets rid of both bonus words. No E, no E. W-I-N-D-F-A-L-L. We have windfall. R, no O. We have air. No E, no O, no E. A, S, do we have a K? No K. S-A-L-A-R, do we have Y? We actually got a win. No O, M, I, no X, no E, no O, no O, no E, and no E. Looks like it's just going to be a ticket, but we'll take it. We're going to play puzzle 2 anyway. And if we do find anything down here, then we're definitely missing a word, at least on puzzle 1. No O, no E, no E, no O. S, U, M, we do have some. No O, no E. Do we have a V? No V. R, I, M, we have rim. No E, no E, no E, no E, no E. No O, and no O. Multiplier here, 2x. Well, it wasn't a complete blank session, but on our $27 batch, we're only getting $10 back, which means we're out 17 bucks. Hopefully we have better luck tomorrow, but that's going to be it for now. Anyways, guys, if you still enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. We'll try again another time, and I'll catch you all in the next one.